Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to combine multiple DEM tiles into one single DEM using ArcGIS Pro. For this example, I have 6 DEM tiles already added to my map. These tiles are next to each other and together cover a large area. So my study area is located somewhere within this 6 tiles, but in this video I will not clip or extract the study area. Our goal is only to combine these 6 tiles into one continuous DEM. So let's start. So before combining the DEM file, we need to check two important raster properties, cell size and pixel type. So for this purpose, right click on the DEM files, go to the properties and click on source. Raster information, you can see the cell size. We have 0.0002788 and the pixel depth is 16 bit. So these are the two values we need to remember, cell size and the pixel type. So I will also check the other DEM tiles to make sure they have the same cell size and the pixel type. Same process, go to the properties and source. So now confirm all files, DEM files have same information. So next is now we are ready to combine our 6 DEM tiles. Go to the analysis tool and type here Mosaic to raster, new raster. Mosaic new raster. So open the tool. This tool allow us to combine multiple raster tiles into one new raster dataset. So first parameter is input raster. So one by one add your 6 rasters. So first parameter is input raster. I added our 6 tiles. So set the output location. So here I will select the folder where I want to save my final DEM. So I recommended using a separate output folder so the final raster is easy to find. Next is raster dataset name with extension. For example, let's name that and the extension is div. Okay. So reference is current map or any DEM file. Okay. So here now we have the pixel type parameter from the DEM properties. We already checked that our DEM is using 16-bit. So here we are going to use 16-bit sign. So cell size, we already checked the original DEM cell properties. So for the cell size, go to properties and copy cell properties. Okay, and paste here. And the number of band 1, all is set by default and run the parameter. ArcGIS Pro will now process the 6 DEM tiles. After processing is completed, we can see the combined DEM covering the complete area. With my raster mosaicing name is DEM_mosaic. So here we can see our mosaic file. See, let's uncheck this file first. Okay, so now here you can see we have we have now one combined file. So in this video, we learn how to combine DEM tiles into one continuous DEM in ArcGIS Pro. So this combined DEM can now be used for further terrain analysis such as slope, stack, hillshade, and contour. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.